Oh, that is dope.
حتم دتا ببینم دوچاوین تا بخوینم دل بکاون سمای برهاتنا بجینم قرباني رزانم چنده تو من خوش دوی منیش وکوتو هرتون بدم دوی رزانم عاشقی بجنو بالامی دیویس نهنده بجم ده هلبینی
Okay, then she got her name on the truck, you know what I'm saying? I see you, Miss Robin, you know what I'm saying? Keyzil, you know what I'm saying? Featuring Fahime. Shout out to these beautiful Kurdish women right here, you know what I'm saying? This Robin, Keyzil, you know what I'm saying? And Fahime, you know what I'm saying? You already know the song was fire, you know what I'm saying? Slaw to all my Kurds, you know what I'm saying? This is Kurdistani Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? I love the beat. The beat was fire, you know what I'm saying? The video was lit. I love the energy, you know what I'm saying, from these women, you know what I'm saying? They were throwing rose petals throughout the whole video, you know what I'm saying? Super nice, super dope. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next Kurdistani Munchie video.
هاتم دتا ببینم دوچا بنتا بخوینم دل بکا بن سمای بیر هاتنات بجینم